sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Dasyanti. I come from Cirebon, West of Java, Indonesia. I am 28 years old. I am single. I am junior high school. I am Muslim. I cannot eat pork, but I can cook pork. I have experience in Taiwan for 2 years and Hong Kong for 2 years. I can do clean the house, cooking, take care baby, children on old age. I can cook soup, steamed fish, porridge, chicken curry, puyung hai, chapchai. I want to work in Singapore because I want to make money for my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.